Happy Thanksgiving 2021. Choose here. Um, it's about between 5 and 6 p.m., I believe. Um, Hope you guys had or are having a very wonderful Thanksgiving. I am filming this on Thanksgiving evening. You guys will see it either tomorrow or Saturday. Um, I don't work tomorrow, and I really don't want to have to go to my job to have to upload the video only. But I may have to upload it Saturday when I do work. So I apologize for the 2-day delay if it happens that way. But at least y'all know y'all got a video coming. But at any rate, Mama had a pared down meal, but it's still a nice little smorgasbord and very, very delicious. Stuffing here with a little gravy on top. I got turkey next to it. On this side is potato salad, some kind of a garlic roll that she toasted. It's probably warm now. String beans or green beans. We call them string beans growing up. Mac and cheese. I had to throw some extra cheese on mine because Mama only had one or two styles of cheese. She usually does about 5 or 6. She didn't do it this time. Jiffy cornbread and cranberry sauce in the middle. Now, I have caramel cake here. And y'all know how I love the caramel cake. Oh, and to drink, I've got brisk iced tea and watermelon lemonade. I've never had it. Nice color. Green and brown, fall type thing, you know. And I got I spruced it up a little bit for y'all. Okay, trying to be crude. But my mom also made a double chocolate cheesecake with a graham cracker crust. I never had it before. I may not. Oh my gosh! This is a lot on my plate here, so I may not do dessert. I may not do it in this video. But because I ate at my mom's earlier, and it wasn't this big a plate, but so good. Wow. I'm doing laundry actually. That's a little hard. I had it in the microwave heating up. My mom with this turkey, damn. And the gravy she made. My goodness. I could have a good old sandwich with this. And you know I like to mix. So I got my cranberry sauce and stuffing. This is my favorite mix right here. Potato salad, cranberry sauce, and dressing. That's one of my favorite combos together. Does anyone else do that but me? I know people mix food, but does anyone mix those three together for the holidays? That gnat is in here. It wants my food. You can't have it, boo. Get away. Because of this light. Come on, Tater Tot, because you're not going to fall over the edge. Oh God. Mm. I had a strong taste for Jiffy cornbread. Sorry, so I'm gonna hook me up. What did you guys cook? Or what did your folks cook? Friends cook? That's kind of good. First time having that. Not bad. No ice, guys. Sorry. Um, I did get a new microphone, but I'm not using it now. I have a feeling that it's not going to make much of a difference because I'm thinking that the high pitched teeny sound that you hear, I think it's from my phone. Probably because it was dropped a few times. I know it wasn't always like that. Mm. People have been giving me feedback on my the sound. Like, I get it, you guys. I know it's making a sound, and I'm trying to rectify it, but I think it's going to involve a brand new device of some sort to record on. Trust me, I think there's some people who can tolerate it, but it's not like I want you guys out here, irritated with high-pitched noises. I really don't. By the way, if you feel so compelled to, that subscribe button is over here somewhere. Just hit it for me, please, and thank you. No sweet potato pie, y'all. And no chitlins. I know. It's weird for me too. What's that? Part of a chicken skin, turkey skin, I'm sorry. It's weird for me too, but hopefully Christmas she'll make it happen. At least that's what she said. But also, she knew that I really wanted the caramel cake this year. I need people to be on the chitlin bandwagon. I'm tired of you pig intestine haters. Y'all not really black. When I went to get the juice, I told this woman at the Trio car wash, I'll be joking around with her. She ran down the list of everything she made. And I said, and all of that, I didn't hear no chitlins. She was like, chitlin. I told her she wasn't really black. this is a piece. This is a piece of skin. And damn it, I don't know if I want it. I don't want this. It looked good at the time, but I don't want to feel it. If I had had it then, when I cut it, it probably would have like tasted better. But now that it's had gravy and stuff, and I can feel the actual like skin, I don't want it. Mm-mm. Sorry, skin. You hear the siren? Dan S. Just wouldn't be Chicago, baby. It's a hunk of cheese got this stuck together. Come on, fool, get on there. There, despite everything in the world, this is where I begin to get like philosophical and inspiring, maybe. I heard that microwave too hard. I know y'all can hear that. I had it in the microwave too long is what I meant to say. But despite all the bullshit that we've been through, if you look around you, there is still so much to be thankful for. Come on, folks. You know what I mean? So much to be thankful for. Despite the hardships and the setbacks, the trials, the tribulations, I know people hate to hear it and it sounds really trite, but you know, the fact that you woke up, and can do whatever you did today, that is a reason to be thankful. It's just such a comfort sometimes. Somebody might feel like, you know, they may not have a whole lot going on in their life, or like they don't have an exciting life. I don't have a very exciting life, but I'm so grateful to be able to enjoy the little things that I do enjoy. To be in the comfort of my bed, watching TV or YouTube or whatever it is, or Netflix, and just being at peace with myself. I am comfortable with that. That makes me happy. I'm content. That I have a job to go to. I ain't saying it's much, but it's something. It's mine. So you guys, maybe next week, if you saw my community post, I'm going to be doing BW3, Buffalo Wild Wings. and I was asking you guys thought would what you thought I should try. And some of you said, I didn't get that many comments, but I heard jerk chicken and Asian wings and their cheese curds or something like that. So I'm still looking for responses regarding that. I don't know, y'all. Let's get into that point. And then I gotta go downstairs to get my clothes out the dryer. I'm not gonna feel like doing it. This is laying me out. I can't do dessert. I'm so sorry. I have enough slices of caramel cake though. It's got it in here. But it'll happen. Trust me. Because I think what I want to do is I want to try a slice of the chocolate. I've got 2 slices of the double chocolate cheesecake. I want to try a little tonight while I'm watching Golden Girls. Obviously, right? You know, they love cheesecake. I shouldn't really be having cheesecake, but I mean, my mom made it and it's double chocolate. I don't think my mom has ever made it. And I got to, some of the chocolate fell on the table at her house and I kind of like scooped it, licked it. So I'm really excited to try it. But I don't know, maybe I'll go live. I don't know, maybe tomorrow or something with a slice of cheesecake. And caramel cake. Oh, damn it. Getting stuffed. Stuffing and mac and cheese and potato salad. And muffins. Carb hell. Man. Mama, I wish you knew that I had a channel. Because, baby, I've been giving you praises. Oh, I can't. This is it. I enjoyed this meal so much. It's always great to have a home cooked meal from my mama, and because I don't go and visit her often. We talk all the time on the phone, but I don't get to have her cooking, and so this is always a treat, and especially around the holidays. I hope that you guys are enjoying the holidays with your family and your children and your friends, and you know, Christmas tying in close to that. I know you all got some of you all probably have big major like traditional things that you do, Thanksgiving into, you know, Black Friday and all that stuff. So I hope you are safe. I hope that your time is warm and pleasant. And again, so much to be thankful for if you just dig in and look around. And It's not just about food, but it provides the comfort. I think it helps in that way. Thank you guys for watching. I might be on tomorrow going live with a couple of the desserts. Um, so you might just have to tune in. I don't want to make a promise though, because I got some stuff happening tomorrow. So thank you and have a great night. Bye.